very comfort zone. So if we talk about the caravans, so caravans is very costly because all the facility available in the caravan which is available in the home. So what we can say that in the caravans we can see the most utilization of electrical and electronic system. So here I want to share something. Just wait, I share my screen. Because the Bollywood stars have very costly caravans, or we can also say that. So my screen is visible to all. So I'm talk about the Shah Rukh Khan to Ajay Devgan. Five Indian celebrity are there. Swaki vanity vans. So caravan is same vanity vans. So what happened? They use costly vanity vans or caravans. First, see what are the luxuriness provided in the this van. What are the lighting system? Amazing lighting system is there, and washroom, television, comfort zone, even a small kitchen also is there. Bathroom, hot water, cold water, all facility is. See here, interior of the Shah Rukh Khan vanity van. See, so can you imagine what is the cost of this vanity van? See, the vanity van name Volvo VR9 and the cost is 4 crore. What is the cost? 4 crore. Think about that. How much costly this van. But what happened? The all the facility is available here. The floor of this designed by the DC. This is the most famous car designer. Most famous car designer. Whatever the requirement of customer, Dilip Chabra, DC, can design as per the prescription. Dilip Chabra designed the car as per the prescription. Whatever the prescription is there. So, how much the cost? Cost is very high. See, 4 crore. And Alia Bhatt. What is the Allu Arjun. It is the Tollywood star, and he has also a costly vanity car or vanity van. The name of Falcon. Okay, he is a Tollywood star. Many of you don't know about him, but it is the most famous in the Telugu industry. And see, what is the cost of this car? 7 crore. So, what are the facility you see here? It is a jet black van with the silver and black polish interior. There are comfortable looking rectilinear that provide the complete comfort to the actor as he get ready to deliver his next shot. When not getting his makeup done, Arjun can simply resolve their chair and watch the TV on the move. Just below the TV is a bed, and there is also a sofa installed to every guest of the actor mood. The van also features a full-size toilet complete with a shower and ambient light. The fully customized van is made on the Bharat Benz chassis. It was customized by the ready customer, and cost of this is 7 crore. Think how much costly this, but we can see the this is Ajay Devgan vanity car. So all the interior, see the interior of this vanity van. See the interior of this vanity van. So what do you think? Why this car is so much costly? This car is so much costly because of their comfort zone. They are providing most comfort feature, the comfort you get in your home, luxurious home. So that much comfort you get here. That much comfort you get here from these. What are the facility provide here? See, a report by the Times of India state that van has office, a room, a lavatory, and kitchen when they first brought it. However, he got the modified by a Gujarat based automobile designer who added big screen TV and a full function gym. See, gym also in the van so that the actor can work out on the go. The price of this vanity van, however, remain a mystery. Means the price of this van is not disclosed. Now, Salman Khan, and it is also DC Dilip Chavaria design. Okay, so the cost is same 4 crore. So what I want to say you, why this car is so costly? Why this car is so costly? Because they have much more comfort. Means you want to do the meeting, because what happened, the most of businessmen or celebrity have less time because due to their schedule of acting. So what happened, the maximum time during a shoot, they go anywhere. and the facility like him is not available there. So they travel go with their caravans, and caravans has all the facilities. They can listen the story, they can arrange the meeting, business meeting during the journey. But what happened in the current are the common people, that time of travel is waste. There is no utilization, we can't do anything, just lay out on the seat of the car or lay out on the seat of the train, and around 24 hours, 48 hours, 38 hours, 1.5 day, 2 days, just journey is there, and we can't do anything via go by the train. So how much time is waste? But the car or van like this facility, they can utilize the time. They can utilize the time for the meeting. They can arrange the meeting during the travel. Okay. So they have received the time or save their time for their personal use. Okay. So what is my motto to show you these details? The my motto to show you these details, you observe that if there is a shower, there is a television, there is a music system, there is a conference hall, there is a kitchen, then what happened? You assume that what are the electrical and electronics device used there. So if utilization of electronics and electrical system very much, so I share you today on the automobile group, I share a book to you. See which book? This is the book. See, Automobile Electrical and Electronics System third edition. Okay, the total book based on the electrical and electronic systems which is used in the automobile sector or automobile vehicles. Okay, so I come to here now. Electrical and electronics principle. What are the electrical and electronics principles? So see here, risk and risk reduction. What are the risk and risk reduction? How we reduce the risk? Okay, first of all, electric shock. If electricity involved in your car or automotive system, then what happened? There is a chances of electric shock. So what happened? How we can reduce this risk? Ignition heat transfer is the most likely place to suffer a shock. Up to 25,000 volt is quick normal. Use insulated tool if it is necessary to work on the heat transfer circuit with a engine running. Note that High voltage are also present on the circuit containing the windows. Due to the black EMF, as they are switch off, a few hundred volt is common. Main supply power tools and their lead should be good condition, and using an earth leakage strip is highly recommended. Means what happened? Electricity is a also type of the energy. So what is the law of energy conversion? The total amount of energy is fixed in the world. The total amount of energy is fixed in the world. We can't create the energy, and we can't create the energy, and we can't destroy the energy. The only possibility is there, we can convert the energy one form to another form. So this is it. So why earth leakage strip is highly recommended? Means whatever the excess electricity we can transfer to the earth. Okay. Battery acid. Battery acid is harmful because acid is harmful if we touch the acid by our naked hands. Then what happen? The reaction is there and our body parts may be damaged. Sulfuric acid is corrosive to always use to good person protective equipment, PPE, personal protective equipment, PPE. Like this corona situation, PPE kit is very famous. Everywhere you think about, you heard about PPE kit, PPE kit, PPE kit. What is the PPE kit? PPE kit, personal protective equipments, means what are the PPE kit for the coronavirus? Body cover is there, gloves is there, eye protection is there, and mask is there. So the combination of all these called the PPE kit. But here is the different. Here is the different, because apron should be needed, gloves should be needed to operate the battery acid. This case is overall, and if necessary, rubber gloves, a rubber apron is ideal, as are goggles if working with the battery a lot. Means if you deal with the battery, if you using the battery, then the PPE kit, personal protective kit, is required when you dealing with these things, because all these things is related to the electrical and electronic system. Raising or lifting the vehicles, rising or lifting the vehicles, apply brake or choke the wheel when rising a vehicle on a jack, or drive on lift. Only jack under the substantial changes or suspension structure. Use axle stands in the case of the jack fail. So when we apply the jack in the vehicle, so what happened? During the lifting the vehicles, we need to first see the plane area. Okay, because irregularities in the road surface, that is create difficulty to lifting the car. Exhaust gases, Suitable extraction must be used if the engine is running indoor. Remember, it is not just the carbon monoxide that might make you or even kill you. Other exhaust component could causes the asthma or even cancer. So exhaustion of the present gases is very important because due to the carbon monoxide, we can meet our death. But other gases causes the major illness in our body, that is asthma and cancer. Moving hand, okay. Only lift what is comfortable for you. Ask for help if necessary. And are you lifting equipments as a journal guide? Do not lift your own if it is too heavy. Okay, so moving the load. If uh, what happened, the car or four wheeler having the different parts. Okay, so it may difficult when you moving the load. Short circuit. So there is a problem. Identify problem, the short circuit. Use jump lead with an inline fuse to prevent damage due to the short when testing. Okay, so fuse is used. So already I told you what is the fuse. Fuse a component which is disconnect the supply during the high voltage running or high current is running. So high current is running, then the fuse material is melt out and the connection is stop and the uh, current connectivity is stop fire. So do not smoke when working on a vehicle. Okay, because the battery is there and the highly flammable petrol and diesel is there. So when you working with the car, we don't it is advisory you don't smoke. Fuel leakage must be attended to immediate action. Remember the triangle of the fire: heat, fuel, oxygen. See, this is the triangle of the fire because the fire is often considered during the heat, fuel, and oxygen. Means these three things is responsible for the fire. Means what happened without these three, fire is can't be generated. Okay, so heat, temperature is there. Heat means temperature is there. Fuel means fuel is there, like diesel, petrol, um, wood, carbon, whatever it is, that called the fuel. Okay, and presence of the oxygen. If oxygen is not presented and we have sufficient temperature and fuel, then fire can't be generated. Okay, skin problem. Use a good barrier cream and latex glove, wax skin and cloth regularly when you working with the automobile cars. So here the simple electric circuit is there, and this is your atoms, and you know very well what happen in the atoms. Okay, so electron and proton is there. Electron and proton is there, and this is our nucleus, means that center of the atom. A atom has proton and electron. So proton has positive charge and electron has negative charge. You will know about that. So these are the wire to complete the circuit. This is our switch, this is our valve. We talk about this in previous some slide too. So here we discuss effect of the current flow. What is the effect of current flow? Because we already talk about the circuits, why the circuits and what are the uses of the circuits. Okay, effect of the current flow. When a so when a current flow in the circuit, what will be happen? Heat is produced. Heat is produced, and magnetism is also produced, and chemical effect is there. So because when current pass through the circuit, when current pass through the circuit, heat is produces. Okay, and we all know about the magnet is made from the electricity. Okay, so magnetic effect also produce, and chemical effect. What do you mean by the chemical effect? Because there is a battery, and we know that by the chemical energy we can convert the chemical reaction to the electricity. So what is the main concept of electricity? Electricity means current, I. Okay, if I is flow, then what happen? Because of the plus minus charge present in the battery, and this battery is responsible to produce the current, then when the current is flow, the chemical reaction must be there. Okay, because due due to the chemical reaction, current is produced. So if current is flow, then there must be a chemical effect is there. The heating effect is the basis of electrical components such as the light and heater plug. The magnetic effect is the basis of the relay and motor and generator is there. The chemical effect is the basis for the electroplating and battery charging. Okay, electroplating and battery charging. So all these I discussed to you. So these are the chemical effect in the battery, magnetic effect in the motor generator, and heating effect in the bulb. Okay, bulb or headlight, whatever is there, the heating effect will be generated there. Bulb, motor and battery, heat, magnetic and the chemical effect is there. So see this diagram. An electrical circuit demonstrating the link between the voltage, current, and resistance. So there the voltage is presented. There is the our resistance is here. The bulb has a resistance to blow. A higher resistance will be reduce the flow of the current. Means if resistance is the high, then it is minimize the current flow. And the power of a bulb say how much the energy it will be convert to the heat and light. Higher power make more light, so more current will be required. This is our current flow. Means switch is connected, then current flow is take the place. So here in the circuit show in figure 2.3, the chemical energy of the battery is first converted to the electrical energy and then into the heat energy to the lamp filament. The three electrical effects are reversible. Heat applied to the thermocouple will causes a small electromotive force and therefore a small current to flow. Practical use of these mainly in the instrument. A coil of wire rotate in the field of the magnet will be produced. An electromotive force can causes current flow. This is the basis of generator. Chemical action such as battery produce a electromotive force which can be causes the current flow. Now we talk about the fundamental quantities. In the figure 2.4, so we go for the figure first. Here in the figure 2.4 of the electrons through the lamp every second, it is described as the rate of flow. The causes of the electron flow is electrical pressure. The lamp is produced an option to the rate of the flow set of the electrical pressure. Power is the rate of doing work or changing energy from one form to another form. These quantity as well as several others are given name as table 2.2. If the voltage pressure applied to the current was increased but the lamp resistance stay the same, then the current would be increases. First, we go through the table. Where is the table 2.2? Yeah, see. Electrical discharge. What is the definition? 1 coulomb is the quantity of electrical covered by a current of I ampere in the 1 second. 1 ampere in the 1 second. So what is the formula? Q equal to IT. And what is the name and what is the abbreviation? Abbreviation is C. That is the electrical charge. Now electrical flow, the number of electrons having passed a fixed point in 1 second. Electrical flow. The number of electrons having passed a fixed point in 1 second. That is our current. Our electrical flow. I. Current is represented by the I, and I equal to B upon R. The unit of current is ampere, and we can represent this by A. Electrical pressure, and other name of electrical pressure is volt. Okay, a pressure of 1 volt applied to a circuit will be produce a current flow of 1 ampere if the current resistance is 1 ohm. So V equal to IR, the unit is volt and is represented by the V. Electrical resistance we called is resistance, and this is the opposition to current flow in a material or circuit when a voltage is applied across it, that is R, and R is equal to B upon I, and represented the unit is ohm. Electrical condensance, ability of a material to carry an electrical current, 1 seems equal to 1 ampere per volt. It is represented by the G, and G equal to I upon R, and it is unit is Siemens, that is the S. Current density denoted by the J. The current per unit area, this is useful for the calculating the required conductor cross section area. So J equal to I upon A area is here, and the unit is ampere per meter square. Resistivity, a measure of the ability of material to resist the flow of electric current. It is numerically equal to resistance of a simple unit length of unit cross sectional area, and it is the ohm meter. A good conductor has a flow resistivity 1.7 into 10 to power minus 8 ohm meter for the copper. That is a good conductor. Okay. Then conductivity, the reciprocal of the resistivity. It is represented by the sigma, and sigma equal to I upon R. So we can see here. So electrical power, when a voltage of 1 volt causes a current of 1 ampere to flow, the power del F is 1 watt. So it represent electrical power by P equal to IB, and it's represented by the watt, and the unit is watt and representation is W. Capacitance. Okay. Properly of the capacitor has determines how much charge can be stored in it for a given potential difference between its terminal, represented by the C equal to Q upon V, where Q is the discharge, R C equal to epsilon A upon D. The unit is farad. A equal to plate area and D equal to distance between them, and epsilon is permissibility of the electricity, and unit is farad and represented by the F. Inductance, where a charging current is current build up a magnetic field which induce an electromagnetic force in the same circuit and opposite the current self impedance or another circuit. So it is the inductance represented by the L, and L equal to B upon R I minus e to power RT oblique L. Henry is the unit for this. Henry is the unit for this and represented by the H. So Students,